Welcome back, Josh. Today we're talking hole saws.
My favorite.
He loves hole saws. All right, you recognize these hole saws, right?
Yep.
A bimetal hole saw.
Yep.
What I want to talk about is these guys with the carbide teeth on them. They're not new. They've been around for a dozen years, but for some reason I'm still not seeing them on the job site, and I don't know why. Because they're awesome.
Yes, they are
They're
awesome.
way, way faster. They stay sharp a long time. They say this one from Milwaukee can go through 1,000 nails or something. It can go through wood, it can go through cement board, stucco. Really the only downside is that it won't go through metal. If you had to cut through like a hole in 1/4 inch metal, this is what you still need.
Plus, I love this one because it's easy to clean out.
Yes, it's got the huge clean outs.
Yeah, so you got the leverage here, you can pull the plug out, where these bimetal ones can be a little more tricky.
Right.
So, yeah.
They are more expensive. So this guy right here is going to cost you $30, where a bimetal would cost you about $10. But check this out. Let's do a little race.
You want to race?
Yeah, this is not official.
I've learned about racing with Mark now.
It's not official. It's not a test. I mean, it's not a, we got
yeah.
different drills, but that's okay.
Hold on, let me ratchet this down. Let's make sure, you probably gave me a dead battery.
No, I did not.
All right.
All right.
Oh, you got me on gear 1. What gear are you on?
I'm on 2.
Okay, I'll turn mine to 2.
Yeah. All right, so.
You're going to get my shirt dirty, Mark.
I know what, I'm going to get dirty. That's okay. On your mark, get set, go. I think you can see the point.
Hold on, I'm almost there, Mark.
You got? So,
I'm almost there.
So, what's nice, and this is, they do 2 different drills, but these are both brand new Milwaukee hole saws. And they make good, these are good bimetal hole saws, but as you can see, if you want to drill fast, this is the guy right here.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
We'll see you next time.